What's up, guys? In today's video, we're going to be going to Wolf Park. For those of you who don't know, it's a nature trail park out in Shenango County. It has a couple miles of trails, a nice creek running through it. It's a good place to take your dogs, just go on a hike during the day. But also, what a lot of people don't know is there's a hidden waterfall that's about 200 feet down this creek, right off the main path. But it's very hard to get to. You either have to follow the creek down, or you have to sidestep down the side of this hill here, which is about a 50-degree angle. It's very steep, but I'm gonna give it a try today so I can show you what it looks like. All right, let's roll some B-roll. All right, we're about 50 feet away from the waterfall. I'm gonna zoom in here. You can see the drop off right ahead. Just got a few dead trees to get around, and I have to scree run around the side, and we'll be at the waterfall. We made it. Well, I didn't bring my drone with me because of the luck with the last waterfall and the crashing thing, so not gonna get any super cool shots, but here's a nice shot looking straight over the edge of the waterfall. We made it. There she is. So beautiful. Alright guys, waterfall was pretty awesome. Took some nice slow motion, nice pictures, and I'm gonna have to head out of here now. There's a thunderstorm rolling in about an hour, and I don't want to be stuck down here in the woods when that comes. So, gotta start climbing this super steep hill right here and get back to the truck. Alright, well, this looks really flat on my camera, but it is definitely not flat. This is like 45, 50 degrees straight up, rocky, awful, dead trees everywhere, good times. I don't even know if I can film at the same time. I might need both arms for this. Ugh. Halfway there. All right, I cannot resist if there's a dead tree and I can push it and it'll fall down the hill. So here we go. Meh. Woo! Made it. And it's starting to rain. There's a little view of the waterfall down there. Once this gets all filled in with leaves and stuff, nobody can really see it. I barely saw it one time and that's how I found it, but yeah, it's pretty hidden down there. Alright guys, that was an awesome hike and I hope to do more of this. So if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. If you want to see more, make sure you subscribe. And if you really love my content, turn on that notification bell. I post a video about every 3 days. So I hope to see you next time. Greg Baer out.